Okay, we are good to go, I think. I hope. Let's see. Ah, wait, I forgot something. Ta-da! I think. Either way, we are here. We are ready for today. Is today the day I finally get a win this week? Yeah. Well, it's hump day. Let's see. Happy hump day, everybody. I wanted to do something. Hey, Frog. What's up? How's it going? You're so funny. Oh my gosh. What did you say to be banned? Maybe that's the proper questions. Question. Damn, okay, wait. I need to have a sip of my coffee. Diamante, is it not super early for you right now? Like, super duper early? Yeah, give me a second, guys. I might get weird again. There we go. Yeah, it's morning here. It's literally, if you want me to be more precise, it is, oh my gosh, wait. I now can't find my thingy. There we go. It is exactly 8:57 a.m. What time is it there for you guys? 3 a.m. Diamante, what the heck? Do you not like sleep? I'm actually convinced that you hate sleep. I guess I could have just checked my phone. I was checking the precise time, Frog, okay? Okay? Like I said, clearly I need a sip of my coffee. That's where we're at, okay. Oh. And it's midnight. Wait. Whoa. Frog, why are you awake? Was it nightmares that you were having about being banned? Okay, let me have a look at this chart. Sorry, this coffee is hot. Okay. Dokie. Oh, it finally took the New York high. Nice. So after it screwed me yesterday, then proceeded to go up. That's fun. Okay. Anyways, I guess now let's see what happens today. Diamante, what do you think's gonna happen? Hey Laura, how are you? How's it going? Demelin, how's it? How are you doing? Are you guys all ready for today? Ooh, some equal lows. Diamante, you just think it's gonna go up now. All-time high. Nice. Hello from South Africa. How are you doing? Damn, Laura. Well done. Whoop, whoop. That's amazing. So you're feeling ready to go now? Or are you done? What's the plans? You're gonna keep trading? Laura, do you have a break in between? Maybe I need to ask this. Do you just... Yeah. Do you go for a break in between? Do you just stay at your desk the whole day? It's like, I'm super curious because I mean, obviously, you know, in between trades I go ride horses and have a breather, but damn, you sound like you're just there. Well, hopefully you bring me some of your good luck. That would be amazing. We all know I freaking need it this week. Hopefully, hump day, we get some relative equal lows. Okay. Let's see, I must just keep scrolling out now and then, have a look, see what we got. Sorry if I'm not responding. Just quickly marking out some, let's say some key areas, but damn, there's a lot of freaking liquidity sitting around down here. Hey. Okay. I'll just have to keep double checking on ES that I've marked it out correctly. Maybe not be in a rush. Ooh, okay, sorry. I just looked back and saw all the messages and was like, ooh, okay. Okay, here we go. So you trade from 7:30 to 10, then okay, cool. Oh, nice, Laura. That's awesome. This girl's gotta work hard, hey. To me? Anyway, hi. Frog, is this the chill crowd? I actually don't know. Well, I know Bob's not here to be a bully today, damn. Bob was on fire yesterday. If he's woken up and watched just this little portion, I'm glad. But anyways. Oh no, Demelin, you think so? You think it's just gonna wait, what time is news? Let's maybe start with that. Frog, you think an artist would be good at what? Kopu trading, hi, how's it going? And Boom Banana. Damn, Laura, do you ever have like you time? Okay. Why do you... What's wrong with my mug? It's a very cool mug. Hey, Cyberpie. Oh, thank you. How are you doing? I don't think I've seen you here before, have I? No, no. And how's it been going, Kofu? Just purely out of curiosity, how have you been finding it? Diego, yeah, I am. Well, if an entry arises or if a good setup appears, then yes, yes I am. We are trading in a queue. Boom Banana, it's time to buy. I am, yeah, based off of what happened yesterday after I said catch his, it kind of looks like it's just bull all the way. Oh, thanks for the sub, Maddie. Thank you. I haven't even had a sip of this coffee yet. I can feel it's hot, so I'm like, Oh, nice. Well, welcome, Cyberpie. How has the trading been going for you? How have you been finding it? Same goes for everyone else. How's everyone's trading? Well, I know it's probably very early in the day, so it's maybe not say day. Trading week been going? I can tell you mine has been disgusting. I'm hoping to turn it around today. It's been a bad week. Last week was a green week. Woo! This week, not going great. Damn, okay. Okay, Kofu Trading. Damn, look at you go. Okay, I'm super curious to see what you find. Yeah, Cyberpunk. I mean, to be fair, NQ is just tricky, full stop. As Joan, I don't think Joan is here yet, but as Joan likes to say, she's the diva. Especially the last 2 days. But let's see. I haven't actually been minding trade. Well, like I said, apart from the last 2 days. In general, I don't mind trading NQ in the London session. It's actually not terrible. Obviously, it depends on the day. Some days just aren't as great as others, but in general, I haven't been minding it. Oh no. Thanks, White Light. Anyways. Oh no. Sorry that you lost it all on Friday. Don't worry, I've been having a bad 2 days. Monday and Tuesday were not my days, so I'm hoping... Well, let's see. Right, that's all. That's all we can do. We're just gonna wait and see what today brings. Rick? I mean, I haven't, but in general, I literally... Every trade I do is live. So I guess... But if it's something you think, would it be something you guys would be interested in? Out of curiosity, I've never considered it, if that makes any sense. Like I said, everything I do is live. So you see everything. You see the ups, you see the downs. There's no hiding what I do. Bad luck has nothing to do with you. Of course not, Frog. Of course not. Of course not. When did you join the stream again, Frog? Just out of curiosity. Nah, you joined when I was still good last week, right? Yeah, so then it's fine. Then it's fine. It's not Frog's fault. I'll just blame Deadwolf when he comes back on, okay? Okay, Kofu Trading, that makes sense. Give yourself a little bit more time, right? With the 5-minute shot. Hey Mango, how you doing? Laura, I haven't traded other things just because I haven't really looked into it. Speaking of, let me maybe... Oop, there we go. I was considering having a look at the gold and stuff. But I thought, let me not overcomplicate it. Let me rather get good at one thing and then explore options. But I'm still trying to get good, if that makes sense. Aw, thanks, Just Guinea Pigs. Also, how are you? I haven't seen you in a while. How's it been going? But yeah, guys, if you wouldn't mind liking the stream, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Interesting, Rick. Okay, wait, give me a second. Let me make a little note here. Thank you, High Life. Also, good morning. How are you doing? How was the rest of New York, or you done? Huh, very interesting, Kofu Trading. I've never actually thought of that, to be fair. Oh, okay, so a little bit, well, I was gonna say a little bit like me, but it looks like we're wanting to go up today, but I don't want to assume, even if I don't make any trade today, but it's because of using logic, then it is what it is. I did ask, I don't know if anyone heard. What time is the news today? I know there's a PPI today. Yes, yes. That's true, Kofu trading. I'll have a look into that actually. That's very interesting. I've just never considered it. Same with you, Rick. So speaking of, I wanted to make a quick note of that. Very quick. Oh, there it is. Got it, got it. Okay. Oh, just guinea pig. I can't complain. I can't complain. I've gone for a run. I've done some washing, you know. And now here we are. My first cup of coffee, which is improvement for me, guys. Normally this would be my second cup of coffee. Probably why I'm being a little bit slow today. Because I haven't had my cup of coffee yet. Oh, is it CPI today? Oh, I thought it was PPI today. Okay. It's at 9:30. Oh, thanks, Boom Banana. New York time. Oh, gosh. Okay. Okay, got it. Yeah. So it's basically an hour before New York open. Ooh, damn, High Life. Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay. Hey, Paul. It's going good. Can't complain. How's it going with you? Not tea. No, not tea. I'm trading eval at the moment, Rick. Oh, it's a new coffee. That's actually not bad. That's quite good. I don't know what to expect from it, but it's quite good. Do you drink tea in the morning? Is tea a thing to drink in the morning? Oh, sorry, I'm such a coffee person. Like, I'll drink tea at night. Just, I don't know if that's weird or not. So that wouldn't have grabbed me, unfortunately. Thanks. I think I need to start saying that. If I'm being negative, you guys must just tell me you need to go jump in a pond if you're going to be a silly goose. Oh, that one would have been a goodie. Oh well. How would this one? Ew, not that. Wrong thing. We would have pasted. Oh, not there. And that one. Damn it. Okay. Could have been 2 wins. Nope. Let's not be getting upsetty spaghetti about that. Oopsie. Here we go. I don't know why I said oopsie like that, but anyways. Boom Banana. Yep. I agree with you. And I agree with it's gonna keep sending. I'm super curious. Ooh, okay, so it took some liquidity on ES. And sitting right by the liquidity here. I must just watch for if there's a big retracement back down or not. Yeah, listen, I've had a red 2 days. Monday and Tuesday have not been, my friend. Unfortunately. I'm hoping to turn it around today. Sorry if I get distracted in between them. I'm considering if this is a good idea or not. Starboy, you're a knight and you love us all. Thank you. We love you too. Well, I can't speak for everyone else here, but I love you too. Frog, no comment. Wow. Okay. Paul, you're holding a trade for 2 weeks. Oh my gosh. Then do you just watch it? Or yeah, what do you do in between? I don't know. Sorry if that's a very random question. I think it's just gonna go up. If it does come back to get me, that would be great, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Sheets. I mean, I'm not a massive fan of that, so. The hesitation is good. Let's see. So, relaxing tea for... Oh, okay, I got you. That took me a second. I was like, what is relaxing tea? But that's like chamomile tea, right? Yeah? Anyways. Sorry, guys. Where is Bob? Bob is asleep, most likely. Bob only comes on during New York most of the time. Nils? No, I do not. I do not know anything about that. I'm hoping this wasn't FOMO that's now gotten me. It could have been. Oh, thank you, Rick. Yeah, well... Huh. Apparently not these last 2 days. Wonder what happened there. Yeah, like I said, these last 2 days have not been great. It goes back up now, but it's just decided to grab. I will be so grumpy. Just guinea pigs, you have a point. Do you see that also would have been a loss? Well, I mean, grab me out, so was a loss. Anyways. Which time do I use for entry? 1 minute? Yeah. Ooh, nice, Paul K. That's... Frog, I can't be grumpy. Why? Yay, Rick! Okay, I know that sounds bad, but I'm glad it's not just me in the Grumpy Goose boat. I'm gonna stick with Grumpy Goose boat. Good morning, LP. How are you doing? Da-da-da-da. Newman and Navid, hi, how are you doing? Newman, hey, I'm doing good. I'm trading the NQ market. I'm just having a quick look at something. Julie, thank you for the sub. Really, Laura? That's interesting. What makes you think that? However, just guinea pigs. Wait, guinea pigs? Yep. GP? Can I call you GP? You do have a point. I think I'm trying to decide if I must just take a bit of a step back and have a look at what's happening today, because yeah, apparently I'm in a bit of a losing streak, which sucks. Oh my gosh, it was so nice to be in a winning streak. But oh well. where am I from? I'm from South Africa and I'm busy trading the NQ futures. Yeah, Nasdaq. No, I started with futures. So that's why I said I want to get good at what I started with and then I'll explore a little bit more. Oh my gosh. Damn, Paul, well done. That's impressive. Holy moly. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Work. Right. Very frustrating. But at least you guys know that, you know, it makes having fun with work. This is fun for me. I love trading. Damn, High Life, you love your teas. What's the index up? What? Oh my gosh, frog. You're very funny, hey? Just saying. I hope you know that you are funny. Okay. Sorry, guys. Can you see the brain is kind of here, also not here? Let's focus, right? Let's focus. Hey, Shani, what up? There we go. Tie. Beautiful candle, wonderful support. Now sell, sell, sell. High Life Frog. Okay. What up, Shani? How's it going for you? You're from your national drink is probably tea. Isn't that like a sorry, this is gonna sound super stereotypical. Clearly I need to get out more. Isn't that more like a British thing? No? I don't know. Mickey, you asking about my settings for my GAN? Is that what you are busy asking me? And Shani, it's, well, let's see. Let's see how it goes. I'm very... How do I put this? I am very anxious because I feel like I'm on a losing streak and I want to break the losing streak. But... yeah. Obviously, to break the losing streak, you have to make trades, which means you could just stick on the losing streak. But I know that's a bad thing to be thinking, right? So this is where the mental stuff comes into play, and I need to just work through it. So you guys get to witness me trying to work through this mental hiccup, if you will, that I'm feeling right now. And again, we got two different opinions. There's some people who are saying sell, sell, sell. There's some people who are saying, no, it's time to buy. So I'm just gonna sit and I'm going to wait for proper confirmation of structure now. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sit and wait for proper confirmation. Mickey, here we go. I'm gonna do this more for curiosity for myself, more than anything else, because I wanted to do this one earlier. Anyways, here we go, Mickey. I'll leave that up for a little bit for you to see. National drink. I like that. That's awesome. Some R&R is good, right? Michelle, good morning. How are you doing? High Life, you have a point, but it's fine. It's bad. Show me your feet. No thanks. Anything amazing? Neither for you. So what are you waiting for? Anything amazing? That's what I'm curious about. Are you waiting for a shift? Are you waiting for a confirmation? What are you waiting for? You are welcome, Mickey. There we go. Interesting, Paul. Yeah, I don't know if I would have the, I don't want to say the commitment, but to do those long-term trades I think are terrifying for me personally. I know for some people it's almost better. I prefer the you're in and out, so I guess the scalping, right? Bebo, I think I've said this before, but I'm gonna say it again. I love your name. I love saying it. Yeah, Rick, that's true. That's true. And then just go with it. Like now. Looks like it wants to be a short. However, it's just a little bit rangy, so I need to wait for it to stop being rangy. Anything, yeah. That's exactly it. Anything amazing. So I'm waiting for it to decide what it wants to do. It's not raining, is it? Hi. I don't think you guys can see him. My dog came to say hi. McLovins? I love that, by the way. We're looking for longs or shorts? Good question. Part of me is thinking longs. However, I'm waiting for it to actually get some movement in a direction before I even start to presume things right now. So that's my answer. Pips and dips. Yeah, that sounds terrible. It does make me feel better. Sorry, I know that, but you know, it does make me feel a little bit better. I've had that plenty of times where I'm like, oh, this is going so well, yay! And then, nope. Mohit, hi, how are you doing? Laura? It's nice feeling to trade something else. Gives your brain a break. Interesting. Maybe I should give it a try. Maybe, let me think about that. Maybe like Fridays I go and I do something different. Or Mondays, because, no, but I've heard Mondays aren't the best days to be trading, so let's maybe not do weird and wonderful things on a Monday. MVS, is it possible to trade every move? Do you mean like every single range? Is that what you are asking? Yeah. Whoa, 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 sorry guys. I'm sorry. I'm being a little bit slow with the reading because I was focusing on something else. Hi Life, did you just say you tasted honey rum? That sounds amazing. That sounds delicious. TPI is gonna churn us. Yep. 100%. I'm waiting. Yeah, I'm very curious to see what's about to happen. Hey, Tommy Topia, how you doing? London opening soon. Yep. Damn. Anything amazing? Holy moly. Okay. RJ Trades, you think it's a sell. Why? Have I seen the new iPhone 17, Shani? No. Why? I'm waiting to see where this goes. Mohit, if I tried something new, maybe gold. I've heard gold's been quite fun to be trading at the moment. And Peter, you think it's going up, up, up. There we go. I love tech. Hi, how you doing? How's it been going? Ooh, Laura, that's interesting. Oh, Pete. You have a point. I love Tate. That sounds interesting. What's that? Huh. Yeah, this would have been the sell. I was waiting for a confirmation. There we go. Oh, interesting. Okay. You know what I think the frustrating thing is when it comes to trading? No one is wrong. When they're saying like sell or buy or whatever, you're not wrong. It's just if you have the right time, right, Shani? You have the right timing for it. Hey, Michael S. How's it going? I'm doing good. I can't complain. I cannot complain. The coffee is slowly kicking in, so now I'm slowly waking up. So we are good to go. I'm now just curious about, is this just a really big retest down before it keeps going up, or is this actually a shift and we are now going to be bearish? What do we think, guys? Frog, I am pretty sure the full moon has passed. I'm just saying. I know this because, when was it? Sunday. It was on Sunday. There was a blood moon and a lunar eclipse here. and it was a full moon. Yeah, full blood moon. I don't. Yeah, it was very cool, by the way. Aw, Deadpool, thank you. Well, let's see. I'm very nervous, which is a bad thing. I'm trying really hard to not let the emotions and stuff get to me. So even though I'm nervous, I'm going to try and take the trades, and then if there are losses, then it is what it is, but hopefully they are wins, and we are winning. That's exactly it, Rick. That's beautifully explained. Thank you. Deadwolf, how was the rest of the day yesterday, by the way? 912 looking good. Yeah, around these relatively equal lows. Yeah, Frog. Come at me. I will... I don't know. Squash you. No. I could never do that. I cried the other day. I accidentally drove over a lizard. Oh my gosh, I burst into tears. And then everyone was judging me because I was crying over a lizard. But I was very upset. And how's it been going, Michael, with the gold, out of curiosity? Yeah, patience is key. Okay. You think it is a shift, so this could potentially but then I might be too late. I'm too late for this one. This was the chicken inside of me going, don't do it, it's okay. Don't do it. I think this one would have been a goodie. Let's see. Theodore? I'm trading prop firms. Deadwolf, I thought of you. I saw that this morning and I was like, oh damn. I mean, you were theoretically, again, this is the discussion, you were right up until a point, and then yeah. Hey Stefan, how's it going? Frog, are you saying OMG about the lizard? I know. Oh, nice, Deadwolf. Was it a very informative? Yeah. Was it good? Was it fun? I've heard his name often, so I'm assuming he's really good. So interesting, Michael S. Are you enjoying it? Hey Max, how's it going? I can't imagine Deadwolf. I'm so jealous. I had to make food and, you know, life. It just feels like there's not enough hours in the day. I don't know if it's just me, but oh, wow, okay, I would have still been in this trade. It is now consolidating a little bit after it's taken this liquidity. I do not. Yeah, High Life, technically I don't, so I mean, that's also a valid reason to, I guess, not join the Discord. I do not have it. But I think it's fairly easy to download. Don't know. Hey, Shani. You get used to it. Aria, wait. What am I waiting for? You think it's gonna still go down? let me just wait for this confirmation, right? Michael, it kind of depends on the day. I've had some days where I've actually enjoyed London more than New York, believe it or not. Very interesting. And then there's been days where I would just sit here with the London and I'm like, oh my gosh, there's nothing. It obviously doesn't help that I keep mixing it up. It's CPI today, or was it PPI today? CPI. There's news today. I think an hour before New York opens, so either there's going to be big movements ahead of the news, or it's just going to be doing absolutely nothing. Because of, thank you, PPI, thank you. Oh, interesting. Trader J? I think I said that right. I hope. What just happened? Seriously, what just happened? It's at chip chop now. By saying it's choppy. Choppy as heck. Deadwolf, that's very interesting. No, it's very interesting. I've actually never even thought about that. When it's a super volatile day, it'd just be like, nah, not worth it. But then in the same breath, no, actually, that's a good point. Michael S. Well, I mean, theoretically, it's a GAN, but yeah, I use my GAN for entries. So I'm just watching this one. Looks like it's gonna eventually potentially be a win, but it's just barcoding at the moment. So that's fun. Hello, how are you? Wow. Do we think it's just... No, wait. It's building up for something. If it's a big move up or big move down, I have no idea. So I'm just gonna have to wait and see what it decides to do. What? Next target 25. 25. Come again? You think 25 is the next target? Okay. Glenn? No. Well, not right now. I'm having a look here. It's barcoding. Ooh. Really, Deadwolf? All the way up here, damn. Oh. Oh, hey, Okade, how you doing? I love how I have different nicknames for different people. Oh my gosh. Joan, it's Baby Trader. For Kate, it's Onion. Well, then 9% of people lose money in trading. Then why am I learning to be the next you? Are you saying that because... What? Anyways. Forex account. What, you think it's gonna go all the way up there? Wait, let's rather rephrase this. In what time frame do you think it's gonna go up there? Because for it to go up there is very much possible. What are you talking, months? Or weeks? Days? Laura, yeah, this is insanity. This is proper barcoding now, but it looks like it... No, let me not even start to assume. Hey, Juan? Just Jean? How you doing? JC, we are trading Nasdaq futures, micro, to be more specific, so MNQ. So Bob showed me a screenshot. I was like, that is ridiculous. I can't believe what he sent me. So Deadwolf, I don't know if you remember yesterday on the chat, he was like, I've just sent you something, try keep a straight face. He showed me how much he was in, but like at a loss, and I was just like, oh my gosh, are you gonna actually get a comeback from this? And that must have been amazing to watch. Was he sharing his screen? Chris Jones, do you think it's bullish? Laura, this is, I don't even think brutal begins to explain. Cool, so that would have been a loss. I mean, if I'd stayed in it that long, I don't know, but... Let's see. Let's see what it's deciding on now. Oh, that's so cool, Deadwolf. Oh my gosh. Deadwolf, are you putting in any trades today? What you thinking for today? Hey, la Bram. How you doing? First testing. Ah, okay. You think it's gonna come back down to 900 and then go back up? You log me? I don't know what that means, but... Thank you? Question mark? Yes, I've never been to India, but I do know India. I'm from South Africa. How are you doing? You know, that way it would have been a loss. Out of curiosity, that would have been a tag in, but now is it actually going to start going down? On ES, it's still climbed up a little bit. ES and NQ are not matching up at all. I hate it when they do this. Okay. Aw, thanks, Ron. Michael is, yeah, I do. Ooh, okay. Well, I guess you're waiting until after news, Deadwolf. Makes sense. Yeah, I actually have no clue if I'm gonna get a trade in on this today. It is, I want to be precise, 9:51 a.m. in the morning. Super cool. So now we just carry on. And I normally trade here until around 11 a.m. So I still got like a good hour of potential trades to come. Well, again, let's see if there's even an opportunity, because now it does just look like it's gonna consolidate and be a pain in the butt. So that's fun, right? That's lots of fun. We love it when it does this. Official Kieran? Yeah. Yeah, I'm also super curious to see how New York is gonna be later. Ooh, nice! And did they love it? Was it amazing? Did they get to see the Big Five? So this is so sad. I haven't been to the Kruger in so long. I really want to go and have a Kruger trip again. Monteblue? Yes, I am. I'm South African. Oh, that is amazing. Listen, South Africa is beautiful. I know I've said this before, but whatever you want, South Africa's got it. You want the beautiful beaches? We got it. You want like the foresty type places? We've got it. What else? I mean, obviously the bush, the Kruger National Park, the animals. Really? No. Lullabram. That right there is called gambling. Okay, no, we don't have snow. You got me there. Well, I say that. The mountains sometimes get snow. It snowed a little bit this year. On one of the Drakensberg passes, I think. I could be lying. But there was snow. It doesn't happen very often, but it does snow. Sell to Asia lows. Official cure. Okay, you're the second person to say potentially 25,000. Or 25. Let's just say 25. Wow, you guys really think... Okay, but again, I'm asking time frame wise. How long do you think it'll take for it to get there? Is this like a month, a week, days? So I had a friend that helped me out with the basics, Phil. They're the ones that introduced me to trading and taught me the basics and stuff. But otherwise, I guess you guys are like my mentors. And you guys help me and, yeah, teach me. And if I have questions, I'll go to them and be like, what did this mean? And then they can show me some more things. Yeah. Yep. Thank you, I think. Huh. Dead Wolf, interesting. But again, time frame? Or... Michael S. So I'm still baby. I'm still quite a baby. I've only been trading since April. And I've only recently found a strategy that's been working with me. Well, I say that, and the past 3 days it has not, well, 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. I haven't really traded today, so I can't say 3 days. The past 2 days it has not been working with me, but I think also apparently these charts just haven't been ideal the last few days. So yeah, we're just gonna go with it. Now I'm just waiting for it to stop consolidating so we can maybe get a decent, hopefully, a decent trade in today. Rick, I mean, if anything, it's helpful for me, because hear me out. It's helpful in the sense of it's really comforting to know that there is a divide in what people see. But it's like you said, it depends on everyone's strategy. So some people are like, oh, it's going to go up, but they have a really big stop loss or whatever. So it doesn't tag them out and eventually it goes up. And then some people say, oh, it's going to be a sell. And then again, depending on the strategy, if it's a quick, just buy in, sell for 10 points, win, then yes, it is. But I always find it very interesting to see how everyone sees the chart differently. And even after years of trading, everyone has different ideas of what's going to happen. So it's a little bit comforting to know that even after years and years and years of trading, people just still see it differently and they are not always right. You know, it makes me feel a little better. I know that sounds very weird. Trade Delicious, hi, how are you doing? How's it been going? How's the channel been going? Okay. Michael S. I can. Let me find a decent one. Give me 2 seconds. Let me just quickly read this. Okay, Michael S. Let me quickly explain this to you. I'm like sticking to my chair today. One of those days. It's humid as hell here, down by the beach. So here would have actually been a win. If we are going with, we are trading. Would I place it there? Would I place it there? If I was quick, I could have potentially placed it here. And then this would have been a very quick win. So range. I basically do it based off of range and market structure. So let's say I knew, okay, it's done a bit of retracement, taken that little bit of liquidity, it's about to go bullish again. Draw it from bottom of the range, top of the range. So I'm doing a very quick breakdown. I need to actually do a bit of a video that goes into a bit more depth with regards to the trading and the strategy. But essentially, top of the range, I'm calling this the range because obviously we're assuming I could only see up to here, and I see it's fault a little bit, so I would have maybe drawn it there. If I was quick, this would have tagged me in at the 50%. Stop loss is 30% of the 50%, and then 2R is the win. So that would have been quick. Let's say I missed that. Top of this range would have entered here, gone up, just missed me. So would I have closed? I don't know, because then it looks like it's retracing back down and gone back up for 2R win. Like I said, I've just been missing the goodies and hopping on to the bad ones. So here again, wicked. There's a very nice entry at 50%. Up we go. And then this one, whoopsie, it's not what I wanted to do, would have been a loss. Or well, just wouldn't have tagged me in and then would have gone up. And if I had followed it up, obviously it would have just gone straight down to tag me out. Yeah. Anyways. sorry guys. I gave a very quick there. Let me quickly see if I missed anything. Michael S, I hope that kind of explained it. Sorry, that was a very brief, probably not that helpful explanation. Oh, okay, wait. But exactly, Monteblue, that's why I tend to go with market structure, right? Well, I say you can't go wrong going with market structure, but the last 2 days, to be fair, the last 2 days there hasn't been much of a structure. But anyways, that's just my brain trying to make excuses. Marzia, hi, how's it going? Ooh, okay. McLovin's 1 hour candle looks like it wants to close bullish. Oh, it doesn't look like it wants to close bullish. Oh yeah, sell, sell, sell. Well, here we go. It's not the standard one, McLovin's, it's one I did if you want to see the levels I put. So, like I said, entry 50%, stop loss 30% of the 50%, and 2R down is TP. Rick, that's valid. Max, I hear you, but do you know how often I have just been tagged in with that 50% and then gone down for that 2R? Volume's bearish. Ooh, nice, Monteblue. That's amazing. Ooh, nice, Marzia. Okay. Yeah, LP. Someone actually did that yesterday. I couldn't decide if I was like upset about it or proud. I was like, this might be a buy, and they're like, I'm gonna do the opposite of what you do. So obviously they succeeded because they just did the complete opposite of what I did. And I was like, you know what? Smart. I should maybe do that. I should just start doing the opposite of what I want to do. Aria, don't worry. I'm waiting for a little bit of something more, if that makes sense. Let's see. I'm so sorry, I have hiccups, guys. Ooh, okay. You're welcome, Michael. Yeah, like I said, it's really simple, but I had to... This sounds bad. I had to simplify it for myself because I was trying strategies that were too complicated, that I was overcomplicating and then messing up properly. So now it's taken this bunch of liquidities. Now I have to wait and see what it's planning. Aw, thank you, McLovins. Don't worry, Casey, I just brush over the rubbish sometimes. You get... I wouldn't say get used to it. I must say, there has not been a lot of negative people, which I really find amazing. I really, really find amazing. I was really nervous when I started because I thought that there would be, and I was like, oh, is this a good idea? But actually, I've found the most amazing people. Like you'll see, like New York, we almost start with not even calling it like a community anymore. It's more like a family gathering at this point. We are fast and furiousing it. It's family time now. But yeah, I must say, I love all the people that I've met on this channel. It's amazing. It's like the theory, put your entry where you want to put your stop. Yes, 100%. That's it, Rick. Sometimes I think I must just do that. Be like, so I'm wanting to do this. So what I'm hearing is I must just do the complete freaking opposite. Yeah, Michael S, that's basically it. You start simple and you go, oh, I can maybe push it, and then you realize maybe that was a bad idea. But a lot of people have said that, how do I put this? Trading shouldn't be complicated. Sometimes the most simple strategies are the ones that work best. And it's pretty valid. That definitely wouldn't have tagged in. This, ooh, this would have just tagged in. See, this would have been a very nice win. I was thinking about it, but it had just taken this liquidity, so it could have potentially, if it was going to shift back up, it could have done it there. So that's why I didn't take that one. I'm being overly cautious, which is probably not a good thing, but we're going with it. This now would be decent if it comes back up. Let's see. I don't know if it's going to come back up though, but I'm going to try to be quick. Oh my gosh. 20 freaking contracts. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna come back up. If it does, awesome. If not, it is what it is. Anyways. Oh, don't worry, McLovins. People are allowed to have their opinions, right? Oh, poopies. Oh, okay. Just ran off without me. How rude. But we are now officially bearish. But it's now just running away. Oh, how mean. Back. Monteblue, no. I do not. Huh. Adam Mancini. Let me have a look. Yeah, that's exactly it, Michael. So I used to have a one-to-one trading strategy, but then obviously, you know, if you are a new baby trader and you keep making silly mistakes like this guy right here, then it doesn't always work out for the best, obviously, because then you make silly mistakes. See, now I can change this. Around 15. Yeah, let's make it 15. Let's see. Okay, let's see now. But that's exactly it, Aria. So, I mean, the previous strategy was either market buy, market sell. That was a disaster, because then if anything happened, I would just market buy or market sell. And then obviously, you know, it doesn't always work like that, and then it would just come back and screw me. But that's why I don't do it. That's exactly right, Rick. But that's why I always say, I'm like, you know what? Not every trade is a winning trade, but every trade is a learning curve, right? So that's why part of me is grumpy. Oh, hey, Melvin. How are you doing? I was wondering where you were. Can't get my day started without Melvin popping a message. Ooh, damn, Monteblue, that's impressive. Damn. See, now I'm a little bit nervous. Am I? No, let's see. This. It took that. Give me a second. That was my dog. I'm a little bit nervous to leave this though. Can you guys just keep an eye on this for me? I'll be right back. I literally heard that beep from across the house, so I'm like, oh my gosh. You thought I was a cat lady? What? Oh, well, everything's in now, but this is not looking great. Oh well. Let's see what happens. At least I placed the trade, right? Even though I'm nervous and I want to get out of this losing streak. At least I placed the trade. Rick, that's kind of how it's feeling for me right now, but it is... Oh my gosh, here we go. But at least I'm placing the trade. Like, part of me was too nervous to just place anything, but anyways. Curious about you thinking I was a cat lady. The expressions on my face when I talk. I know. It's a problem when I'm in public because people like to say I have subtitles on my face, so you can very quickly see what I am thinking, which is not always good, but anyways. Oh, thanks, Michael. Yeah, he's unimpressed about something. I don't know if the monkeys are here. I don't know if he's seeing people walking down the road and he's just thinking they are terrible. Who knows? I have that cat look. I've never been told that before. That's interesting. Yeah, I love tech. It is a complete mess at the moment. And they're a little bit both out of sync. But I'm holding this. I'm holding it. Let's see. Yeah. But that's exactly... Oh, I don't like this wick down. I think it's gonna go up and tag me out. Mickey, well, I mean, because sometimes it doesn't work like that. Sometimes I've had it a few times where it's literally just ticked me in and then gone down. So, I mean, if it was a stop, then yeah, I would have missed those trades. I mean, to be fair, if I had it like that, that would have tagged me in regardless at this point. So... it does look like it wants to push up, so this is probably going to be another loss, and it is what it is, but it sucks. I mean, it's hit a little bit of resistance there, but... let's see, I'm not keeping my hopes up for this. All hopes are down for this week. I know that's bad way of doing it, but at least I'm placing the trades, even though I'm being a little bit of a negative Nancy. Okay. I'm still placing the trades. Oh, there it went up. And still gonna go up. I don't know how it was not. There we go. There we go. There's the stop. Seriously. Okay, guys, I think I need to just start doing the complete opposite of what I want to do. That's where we're at. Do the opposite of what I want to do and we'll be fine. It starts going down now. So what we are learning from this, guys, is whatever I do, do the opposite. Okay, problem solved. Oh, Marzia, no, I'm so sorry. Dead Wolf? Well, if it goes down now, I'ma be pissed. Your master. Okay. Yeah, flip LP at this point. But check. It's gonna go down now. Anyways. Interesting, Michael. Okay, what other levels would you add? Saint, good luck. You've got this. Interesting, Max. Yep, Mark 1, that's my man. Just do the opposite. Screw it. Someone won a trade yesterday by doing that. They went, oh, you're doing that, so I'm gonna do the opposite. So obviously they... What? What? Okay, so... I had the right idea. I had the right idea, so now I don't feel too bad. If I'd just gone from a different range, if I'd gone from the top of this range, check, that would have just tagged me in. Well, that's frustrating. Anyways. Ooh, Marzia, nice. High life for the bigger RR. Yeah. Welsh Dragon Futures Trader. Hi, how are you doing? All okay. All is okay. I'm just having a moment. I'm having a week. But that's okay. Was it you, Zolly? Nice, thanks. Oh, thank you, Lucas. How are you doing? How's it going? Ooh, I missed something. Are you out? Nice. Huh. Thanks, Dizzy Rock. I will have to have a look into that. Quasi head and shoulders pattern. Ah, okay. You think it's gonna do that now? Interesting. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, anyways. I hear you, High Life, but what the actual frick frack snick snack Guys, that literally just tagged me out and then was... Okay, so now I actually don't feel too bad. I know that sounds weird because obviously it was a loss. But I had the right idea. I just used the wrong range. I feel a little bit better. Well, I mean, could have been a great trade, Mr. Opinion. Yeah, sometimes it is just my stop loss. Hey P Shenanigans, how you doing? Haven't seen you in a while. How's it going? Aw, thank you, Kieran. Love you. We have an hourly fair value gap. Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, well, it came for these, which is what I thought it was gonna come for. Some relatively equal lows. And it's right by VWAP, so see, okay, so... Like I said, obviously sucky that it was a loss. However, I don't feel too bad about it because I did have the right thing in mind. So that's positive. Let's look at the positives. Positives, yes. Okay, learning curve. Go for the bigger range once taking some liquidity. Noted. Yeah, LP literally, it tagged me out by a tick. If it had just not been a butthead. Anyway, no, sorry. Oh, thank you. RPG, so I had this. Give me a second. I used the wrong range. I used this little one here. Where I should have been using this, or even this one, to be fair. This one also would have worked. But yeah, I probably should have used the full range. Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly, Rick. I was correct, but just unfortunately, it is what it is. Okay, now I'm gonna be a little bit hesitant. I'm not gonna take this one. Part of me wants to, but I'm not going to because it took the relatively equal lows. There could be a bit of a bigger push. Or I could be wrong and it's just gonna do exactly what I wanted to do. It's probably gonna do that purely because of the fact that I'm not gonna take the trade. So it would look like this. I'm not going to, even though I want to. See, good brain, you know, whatchamacallit, discipline, that's it. Words, hard. English, bad. Anyways. Oh, okay, so you think it's a short again. I do agree. Well, Dragon, I know. But I know what's gonna happen. If I take it, it's going to then be like, joke's on you. Yeah, just unfortunately tagged me out. But anyways. What's to the left? This? This is ES. ES is open here. For me to check what's happening. Also just popped on VWAP both together at the same time. True. Ooh, your TP is 900. Ooh, okay. I mean, it's close. It's close, Solly. Oh, yes, it was. That's why I don't want to well, it's why I'm not taking this trade. Not that I don't want to. It did a proper, relatively equal lows. Proper liquidity sweep now. Which is why I think there'll either be a very big retracement or potentially a shift. That's why I'm kind of staying out of it. Like I said, part of me really wants to take this, but another part of me is going, no. You know, risk management. It's not worth it. If it was going to be a win, then damn, but yeah. Highlight? Okay, wait. The first range I drew. Yes. Usually place your stop loss above the order block. Yeah. I know, it's just me trying to get a higher risk to reward. Boss Dragon, what were you saying? Check. Buy a tick. Let's see if it keeps going down now. If it does, fall, but anyways. I love tick. You said looks like reversal to bearish. Do you mean bullish? Huh? Hmm. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. Come here. What happened? What happened? Oh. He's very upset about something. I don't know what happened. Hmm. Hey, Professor San, how you doing? I hear you, High Life. I do. What the actual frick frack snick snack? Anyways. Oh, thank you, Kelly. Thank you. I think you should try Welsh Dragon. With a name like that, you can only do great. I know, I don't know what he's so upset about, but he's sitting here chilling with me right now. Which is weird. Normally he'd be lying in his bed. What's wrong? What happened? What happened? No. Is it gonna double tap here? Yeah, it's just hit proper high resistance. Aw, thank you. Thanks, Welsh Dragon. I appreciate that. That does help a little bit. It does help. Welsh Dragon, I'm pretty sure I've asked you this, but out of curiosity, how long have you been trading? So if we don't break this, you're out. I mean, it's going. So, well, is it? Nah, I think it is. It hasn't taken the liquidity on ES yet. It's close, but it hasn't taken it yet. I think it's gonna go down, quickly take it. Again, I could be wrong. I'm definitely not a financial advisor, clearly. Oh, Pete, did you just say 893 is the target? Woo! William, how are you? Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. I cannot believe it would have been a potential. Well, let's see. Yep, here we go. Would have been a win. Maybe. Okay, are you okay? He's very not happy about something right now. Huh. Interesting, Dizzy Rock. I've heard a lot of people using ChatGPT to help them out. Yo, absolute bluxum. Anyways. That's exactly Ian. Yep, here we go. We indeed, Solly. Okay, so at least I'm seeing things better today. That was just rubbish. This literally would have been a bit stressful here, but would have been the perfect trade. I mean, you guys saw how it literally just would have tagged me in by a... Would it have even tagged me in? Should have. By a tick. Would have gotten me in by a tick. Literally. Anyways. Sorry, Saint. Oh, I'm sorry, Saint. What did I miss? I'm so sorry. There's a lot of messages. Saint, you said price is going back to the daily opening. There we go. See, I'm going back. I'm so sorry. Thank you, High Life, for pointing that out. Might be. My cat wants to take a trade. I do not have a cat yet. But no, my little dog, well, little, very big dog, nearly weighs as much as I do. He's huge. 5 to 6 years. Anne, are you still learning Welsh Dragon? Oh, thank you, RPG. David, hi, how's it going? Damn, my goodness. Ooh. Solly, it's taken now, right? Yes, it's officially taken. Nice. Whoop whoop then for you. Well done. Yeah, of course, Welsh. Yeah. Super happy to do that. Nope, I've come to realize. Saint, so you're in a cell right now, hey? I mean, it's just taken some more liquidity, so there might be a little bit of a retest. So now it is below VMAP. We got this going, we got this here. We have that, and we have that, and we have that. This is a decent trade. I hope. If it comes up high enough. But it did take that 900 level, so now I'm a bit... Anyways. Ooh, nice! Okay. Okay, no need to brag, Solly, damn. Just kidding. You brag away, you deserve it. I think it's just gonna keep going down. I love tech. You're waiting for the bounce. Cool. Okay, you feel like it's going to the daily low to create another low. Interesting. Okay. Solly, like I said, don't brag. Shush. Sell 926. And you're still in it. Damn. Okay, Saint. Holy moly. Up 2K for the week. You're about to quit your job and do this for real. Maybe you need to teach me your ways, Sadi. Apparently it's just doing the opposite of what I do, but still. Mr. Opinion. Nice. Strong bear. Okay. Asia low coming. Gold is doing nothing. Ah, Laura, I'm sorry. Yeah, because NQ is... NQ is doing its thing today. Properly. Take a note of these lows here. Hit this fair value gap. So just gonna keep going down and down and down. Oh, that's not right. That's better. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I agree with you, Saint. 874, literally the lows. I agree. I don't know if it's gonna come grab me first or not, but let's see. Line chart shows you every pivot point. I've never looked at that one. Cloud info and technology. Hi. Oh, gone. Don't mind me. I'm just having a day. Yeah, 12, you think so? Cool. Oh, thanks, Sammy. How's it going? If I do not respond to everyone, I am so sorry. There's a lot of messages coming through. Okay, so if I do not respond, pop me the same message again. I do apologize. Yes, sorry. P shenanigans, really? You so not quite your job to trade full-time until you're profitable for at least 1 to 2 years and can cover all your expenses. No, that's true. And if you're starting to stress about making money trading, you're going to start making emotional decisions, right? Which results in bad trades. See, I'm trying very hard to not make emotional decisions. Does it always work? Not really, but... Okay. So we have a fair value gap and VWAP as potential protection, support, you know, whatever you want to call it. My stop loss here. If it comes up to get me, I'm not sure. It's very high up there. So let's see. So Kelly, really? Sorry, Kelly's the first message I saw. You think you can do it full time? Just go for it. What's the worst that can happen? You fail. So what? Try again. I mean, that's valid if you have money. If you do not have money and it's your only source of income, it's a little bit scary. Saint 1.5. Okay. Each trade you take is a wait, Saint, is that your flipping what the heck? Oh my gosh. Okay. That's impressive. Sorry, it clocked in my brain what you were saying. I was like, what? That's very impressive. I don't think it's gonna come tag me in. How would. Anyways, each trade you take is a retest, or would I enter momentum trades also? I will not do momentum trades because those were the buy and sell using market order that I had. That was the strategy that I was just messing up completely. Like I think I actually nearly blew an account in one day trying that. It was not great. Not great. So Saint, you see pricing going back to 900. Okay, and then hopefully coming back down. Just saying. Okay, Kelly, yeah, I guess that's valid. That is valid. Ooh, okay, let's see. Wow, Kelly coming here spitting back today. Anyways. Really, Welsh Dragon, that's super interesting. No, so I would see, so for example, I would have seen this and been like, oh, go. I think it was that, I almost want to call it bad impulse buying. Oh, poop, wait, maybe this was a bad idea because it's just taken quite a bit of liquidity on ES. But there is still lower down. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, on gold, Laura. Yeah, Mr. Opinion, I'm up. I think there's going to be a bit of a shift now. Oh, okay. So this is probably, I'm gonna call it because it has taken a lot, right? Risk management. However, I said that earlier and it would have been a flipping winning trade, but anyways. Okay, Saint, so now you think it's gonna go back up. Did you close then, Saint? Yeah? No, I do not. Arya? Arya? Anyways. Kelly, no. You know, everyone's allowed to have their opinions, right? And express them accordingly. Ah, okay. Let's see what it's doing. It's kind of slowed down a little bit now. Oh my gosh. Damn, Sammy, that's impressive. Well done. That's huge. Well done. Yeah. Sammy, that's very, very well done. Wow. Okay. Huh. Interesting, Welsh Dragon. That's very interesting. I guess... how How big are your trades normally, Welsh Dragon? Maybe that's also another question. Oh, you haven't closed. Okay, nice, Saint. Oh, Kelly. Okay, so you're one of those that performs under pressure, right? Hey, GBK. How have you been? I haven't seen you in a while. How's it going? Oh, okay. I just don't think it's gonna come and tag me in. I think it's now gone to where it wanted to go. This is purely out of curiosity. Oh well. Oh well. It is what it is. I don't think it's gonna come that high up. If it does, I'll probably end up being nervous. So. Kelly, what? That's so exciting. Okay. Are you excited? Are you nervous? A little bit of both. Daily candle is now bearish. Nice. Okay. GBK, amazing. I'm glad. Yeah, I think... Saint, I agree with you. I think you need to hold. I think there's a lot of liquidity still underneath. But I mean, again, let's maybe not listen to me because we know that that is not great. And Solly, you're hoping for double bottom. Huh. Oh, Thorsey trades, you're in the vertical. So I have two lives going. There's vertical and horizontal. So if you pop out of that one, there is a horizontal one. Look for the one with the thumbnail. Yes, that's literally, I was hoping, so I had this set up, I was hoping it would come and tag me in and then go down for them, but I don't think it's gonna do that, so oh well. I mean, isn't everything we do low-key a little bit of a trauma response? I know that sounds very dark and deep, but well, just asking. Poor friend. Oh no, Solly. Oh no. Oh, wait, Solly. Could be a buy. Interesting boom banana, let's see. Is it? Sorry, Saint. Cool, glad I was not in that. Yep. You know, Boom Banana, just stop being right. You're so annoying. Ugh. Just kidding, much love. But you're so annoying. Okay. Interesting, okay. 5 minutes. Yeah, this is a hectic reaction. Oh my goodness. Part of me is thinking, oh, I'm glad I don't have this open, but in the same breath, watch it now go back down. It's fine. Oh, nice. Okay. Nice, Kelly. See, like you said, if it goes back down now, I might actually just call it at that and say, screw this, screw everything. Honestly. Of course, Solly, of course. That's how it always works, right? No, I have not invested in XRP. Oh, thanks, LP. Yeah, guys, if you wouldn't mind liking the stream, that would be amazing. Thank you. Much appreciated. Big volume at 900. Oh, nice, Kelly. Okay. So Kelly's on gold. Laura, how's it looking for you, by the way? There we go. Kelly, thoughts on gold? Oh, thank you, Whale. Whale's in. Yeah. Thank you. Saint, you don't see pricing going up. So you think this is just a bit of a fake out, potentially? Ah, okay. Gold consolidating. And we're currently in the daily open. Nice. Yeah. Oh my gosh. You might actually see me banging my head against the desk. Because I closed this trade. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Welsh. Yeah. Yep. It's fine. It's fine. Oh. So, like, do you do 10 points, or like, are you a scalper, or are you more set it up, leave it alone, and it could be like a few hours? That's what I mean. Yeah, 100%. I know. It was my bearish entry and I didn't take it. I would have been absolutely pooping my pants because of that though, so it's because it took so much liquidity on ES as well. I thought that maybe there could have potentially been a shift. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe it was a mistake. Maybe it wasn't. I apparently need to just work on getting my confidence back. At least for today in the New York session. Work on the confidence. Like I said, that was just pure frustration. Like, what the hell? It was such a good win. Anyways. The chartist. I'm from South Africa. Ah, there we go. Sorry, just like you. Sorry, I just saw that now. Right now we're dead smack in the middle of the channel. Yeah, Kelly, no, that's right. But you do have to take all aspects, confluences, I guess, into consideration. So I can't be upset for not taking this trade because it did take a bunch of liquidity on ES, which means there could have been quite a decent retracement or a shift. So risk management wise, I'm not upset I didn't take the trade. Emotional wise, I'm upset I didn't take the trade just because I'm being salty. Oh, okay, cool. Lost dragon, thank you. Yeah. Wait for a breakout. Yes, Saint, I'm always on NQ. Oh, there we go. You're gonna come join. You can meet the New York family. You guys are the London family, and then there's the New York family. Deadwolf, I don't know if Deadwolf is still here. Deadwolf is always normally with the New York family, but he does join here as well. New. Oh, sorry, Saint. I'm actually on MNQ right now. Sorry. So I do MNQ for both London and New York. Am I on social media? Yeah. Yes, I am. If you look up Teach My Trading, it'll probably pop up on the majority of things. Oh, that's okay. Don't worry, Kelly. Hey, Deadwolf is still here. Hoi, how's it going? Did you take a trade, or are you still just waiting for New York? Oh, okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Alright, how am I feeling? Good question. How am I feeling? Well, I'm a little bit frustrated from earlier's trade. Should have been a win. Literally just ticked me out, which ticked me off, but anyways. But otherwise, I'm not feeling bad because I did predict a bunch of these. This was a missed trade, but I missed it because it could have potentially been a shift. So, you know, I'm okay. I'm okay. It is what it is. Federico, I'm in South Africa. Oh, okay. Now that sounds like fun, Deadwolf. Don't worry, my dog comes with me to the stables every day, and that is his, like, run around time. Then he follows me around on the horses. It's very cute. It's very funny. Really, Kelly. Sorry, I don't know. My brain just went a bit short-circuited. Give me a second. My dog's asking to go outside. I'll be right back, guys. But yeah, low-key, I'm glad I didn't take this trade because I would be stressing. Well, stressing. I may have closed it by now. Let's put it that way. Okay. You want to see the dog? Okay. Give me a second. Oh, Solly, are you? Oh, obviously you're still in the long. It hasn't tapped your stop loss. Well, let's see. RPG. If you go check out some shorts, there's some videos of him on some of my shorts. He is awesome. I love him to bits and pieces. Oh, okay. Yeah, Kelly, I was thinking there was going to be a bounce after it took a bunch of the liquidity. However, yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, I guess. Yeah, let's just see what happens. So, Sammy, why are you then looking at potentially doing futures? Just out of curiosity. P Shenanigan, if I'm lagging, I'm so sorry. It could be me. Sorry. And this is the pop. Okay. Oh, in which case, well, Damn, okay. Here we go, apparently. Oh, okay. Dead Wolf? Let's see. I was thinking about it. I'm not gonna lie. I was considering it. I would still be sitting in the red and I would be stressing right now. But let's see if it would have been... Whew. Saint, this is a challenge. I'm still in a challenge. Oh, damn. Okay, that would have happened. To answer that question, apparently that would have happened. Huh. Because this was... there. Yeah. If I'd followed it down further, it would have been there. But I would have left it there. Oh my goodness. 3 taps. It is either gonna shoot up now or shoot down. Those are the 2 options, right? Anyways. There we go. Yes, I love take. That's it. It's either gonna go up or it's gonna go down. Oh, interesting, Sammy. Interesting. Okay. That's okay, Deadwolf. Like I said, I was also looking at that, wondering, kind of going, maybe. Oh, interesting. Okay. Really, Kelly? That's interesting. Solly, is it tap dancing on your stop loss right now? It's coming for Boom Banana. Boom Banana, where you at? Oh, interesting, Max. Thank you. Ah, thank you, Kay. How are you? This one or the previous one? So this would still be in. I mean, I would have been moved it to break even by now, definitely. Are you talking about the other one, Deadwolf? So if I had done this... I mean, if I was quick enough, maybe. If it had moved up then, I'd moved it very quickly, but I've forgotten how quick that little up was. Saint, yes. Yes, it's a 50k challenge. Ooh. I don't know. Boom Banana does his own thing. Boom Banana pops in and out. Okay. On that very frustrating note of... Damn, it still hasn't taken. It still wouldn't have been... I most likely, in all honesty, would have closed by now. I would have just taken profit here. In all honesty. Oh, nice, Saint. Well done. McLovins, so stay tuned. That's all I'm gonna say, but for right now I'm busy trading with Tradeify. But stay tuned, there's some exciting stuff coming. Okay. I'm gonna leave it at that, leave you guys in a little bit of suspense. Oh, thank you, GBK. Much love. I hope the kids and you are having the best time, by the way. I haven't seen you in a while, so I have to check. Oh, interesting, Saint. Okay. I'm gonna leave this up out of curiosity for when I come back later. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna call it there for today, because we appear to just be consolidating now. So that was a very frustrating day for me, but anyways. Come join the New York session if you want to see if the bad luck streak continues or if we can finally break it. Yes, I'm heading for we're gonna break it. We're gonna get a win in the New York, right? We've got this. We've got this, right? Hey Chris, how you doing? Okay, but on that note, guys, I'm gonna call it there for today. Let me go ride my horses, find my brain, not let the emotions get a hold for the New York session. I'm very curious to see what New York has to bring. Let's see. Let's see. Star Life for real? No, I'm not paper trading. But yes, I will see you guys in New York. Dead Wolf, have an amazing walk. You're gonna have to tell me about it in the New York session, okay? And thank you, Mr. Opinion. Thanks. I try and keep the energy fun for everyone because I know trading can be boring sometimes. So we have fun here. Okay, but on that note, I love you guys madly. See you in New York. If not, I will see you hopefully tomorrow for the London session. But I love you guys. Bye.